This is Lil Helen. 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 Helen of Troy. She's a little young mama, very meek. Look at that. Anyways, Helen kind of has her fur, it's just a tad thin, and I think I got the wrong side. Yeah. Hold on, Helen. What you hear, Helen? You okay? Come and eat your stuff. Oh, you got a nut dripping off you. A nutshell. Want me to get that off, Helen? Here, come here, Helen. Come here, Helen. Oops. Come here, Helen. Let me get that off. Yeah, let me get that. Oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Did I get it? Did I get it? I got it. I got it. Can't let a lovely young lady like you have a nutshell hanging off your whisker. No, no, no. No, no, no. Too pretty. Too beautiful. Yeah, go ahead, Helen. Helen. Right here. She's my pretty girl. Well, anyways, everybody, this is Helen. Helen, meet your Facebook and YouTube family. They all love you. And we love all you guys, right? Right, Helen? Yeah, we do. Later, Gators.